Alright, today's project. I bought a canopy to put on the lawnmower. So hopefully, when I have to mow lawn, I can mow in the shade. But first, I gotta put it together, of course. Some assembly required. Okay, maybe a lot of assembly required. Well, that's what it's gonna look like, hopefully. Let's see what happens. See if I can set it up here. Where is going to be a good location? Yeah, that should work, right? I think we're ready to get the canvas out here, I guess. A little help from the cardboard aided design, and then a little help from the homemade CNC plasma table. Now we just gotta bend them up. Looks pretty good to me. Should go in them holes like that. Stick up there like that. Let's put a little stiffening kink in it. That should work. Oh yeah, a lot stiffer. A lot stiffer. Just a little kink in it. Alright. Now we got it on there. Doesn't look too bad. Now I just gotta mount these little guys so the straps can have somewhere to go. I think I'm just gonna mount them right there. That looks like a pretty good location. I got one of these awesome riv nut tools, so I think we're gonna riv nut them on there. Okay, got all the hooks on. Now I just gotta get the straps on. Let's see if we can put them on. Well, that sucks. The straps are too short. The back ones might reach. Yeah, I think the back ones will reach, but the front ones, no way in hell. So there it is. I just wanted to mention at the end of this video, if you like these brackets, I'll put a link in the description where you can download the file. This is a 36 by 72. It's the extra large canopy. I'll also leave an Amazon associate link where you can get that too if you'd like to get this same one. Unfortunately, the front straps were a little too short, so I'm gonna have to do something a little different there, but other than that, I really like it. Keeps you in the shade, keeps the sun off you.